Hey y'all, in today's video I was at the 2025 Detroit Autorama and I came across this very cool 1970 Monte Carlo I think y'all are gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it.
What about that? That's different, right? These cars used to be running all over town, but now you don't see very many of them. It's cool to see somebody do one. NASCAR inspired by the 1970s Bobby Allison Coca-Cola cars. I say cars, I guess they had cars back then. No, very cool. I think they did a very, very nice job on this car. Grade 8 winner, of course, Detroit agrees. They thought it was cool also. I like the color combination. They did a carbon fiber layover to kind of give a tribute to the vinyl tops that came on a lot of these cars back in the day. LSX 454 up under the hood, unknown horsepower. Very nice job keeping it clean and themed. You know, it's a NASCAR themed car, so it has that very race look to it. But man, you could drive this thing anywhere, right? Anybody that says that's a trailer queen, it may win some awards in its first year or so, but after that, man, that car was built to drive. Very cool. I like how the exhaust comes out the side. I like the treatment in the front, the custom grille, the way the bumpers are in it. I like that intake. Nice panel work. Everything's cleaned up underneath. Shaved the door handles. Yeah, just kept the car clean, and again, going along with the theme of the 1970s type of NASCAR, although a modern one. Man, I really dig the interior. Not only the color, I think that just the red, the white, and the carbon fiber together, awesome. I like everything about it. I like the accents. I like how they put the bucket seats in the back, but they're not separate. It's like a bench seat with a bucket seat built in. A lot of good ideas. Takes talent and money. That's what it takes. And this is one that, again, put the key in it, push the button, however you get this thing going, and head out wherever you want to go. And that's always cool. Although, at the end of the day, if they're nothing more than artwork, I'm fine with that too. Nice guys. They actually built Vagabond. A Vega, white Vega that had kind of a basketball color orangish interior in it. I shot a few years ago up here in Detroit. I think they're out of Canada if I'm not mistaken. Very, very nice guys though. Built a cool car. I like how it does that peek through the hood. Clean. And the color choices. There's where that taste comes in. I think they did a very nice job there. The way they did it, the way they laid out the graphics. No, just a very cool car I knew you'd all want to see. So there you go, from the 2025 Detroit Autorama, a very cool 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.